Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week we're doing a plan with me for Halloween week, which I'm really excited about. I've done something a little bit different this week. You'll see in just a few seconds here what I'll be doing. Basically, I decided to go kind of with a black theme this week, being Halloween and all. So I took some black scrapbook paper and cut it up to replace my usual blocks that I do in my B6 Scribbles That Matter. And you'll see in just a second here when I open up the page that I have these black rectangles now that I'm going to be working with. So I was a little worried about this. I wasn't sure if the stickers were really going to show up on here with the black background, but actually in the end it didn't turn out too terribly bad. So here I'm just showing the strips that I had cut out. I don't have the measurements on me right now, but I'll link them in the description bar below. And I just glued them on with this Elmer's just regular old glue stick. They seem to be sticking pretty well, but a few of the edges keep coming up and I have to kind of keep re-gluing them back down. But anyway, let's get started with the plan with me. You'll see in here that there were a few things that I had done really wrong, but I'll get back to that in just a second. This week I'm using the Spooky Spell kit by TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. I love the pastels in this kit. They're definitely, they brighten up the spread, even though I'm going with the black theme. I really liked the contrast when all was said and done. So really cute kit. Helen does amazing work. If you haven't checked out her her stickers over on the TheCoffeeMonsterzCo, I would definitely recommend it. She does some amazing work, and I'm an emoji addict, and you'll see that, you know, I use a lot of emojis in all of my spreads, so I'm definitely addicted to her spreads. This right here, I had bought that kit, but I didn't get the deluxe kit, and so I was missing some bottom washi. So I went ahead and found some images out on the hungryjpeg.com, and I found that wonderful pumpkin, Halloween, Thanksgiving, fall type pattern, and I decided to use that. So I just made myself a couple of pieces of bottom washi, so I would have some for my spread. Working with the B6, it's a little hard to use bottom washi in the B6. It was a lot easier in the A5 journal. I could fit it down at the bottom and still have a lot of space for each day, but with the B6 it makes it kind of hard. So I end up having to put one of them on the side, as you can see here, and I usually just put the smaller one on across the weekend and across my weather bar off on the right hand side. So it allows me to have a little bit more room. Again, with the B6, you know, I feel like I'm lacking some space. I really do love using the B6. It takes up less room in my bag. It's easier to carry around. It's lighter. But I'm kind of starting to miss my A5 now because I feel like I just don't have that much room anymore using the B6. So pretty much from here on out, it's just going to be a matter of laying down stickers. On this side of the spread, this was kind of funny, and I'm sorry that I'm out of frame, you guys. I don't know what happened this time. I think I felt like my first video was just, it was too far away, and you really couldn't see a lot of what was going on, and I kind of had to zoom in using the editing software, and I really just, you know, I was having a hard time with it, but I tried to zoom in a little bit more this time around, and doing so I ended up off camera, and I apologize for that. I'll try to do better next time for you guys, but this particular portion, I was out of my element, you guys. I don't know what I was doing with this. I was trying to put my weather bar in, and I miscounted or something, or I ended up putting the bottom washi down too far up, and I ended up with not enough spaces, and basically in the end I had these boxes that are usually 4x4, but that top one, I don't know if you could notice it or not, but that top one was only 3 space is high, so it's a little bit thinner than the other boxes, but I still made it work. There was something about the spread, I guess, with the black boxes that I was using. It was just throwing me completely off, not being able to count the spaces and get everything all lined up like I normally do. So here's where I'm cutting the page for my Dutch door. Rounding the corners, because I'm a rounded corner kind of girl. I don't know about you guys, but I love the rounded corners. So anyway, basically the rest of this is just going to be me laying down stickers. Nothing special, nothing exciting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave you guys to the music, and hope you enjoy this second Plan With Me of mine for Halloween week. Oh, and by the way, this was kind of a special week for me because my husband's birthday is actually on Halloween as well. So I've been using the countdown stickers from TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. I started using them last week and counting down to Halloween. We don't really do a lot for Halloween, but it is his birthday, so you know, we're more about celebrating his birthday than we are the actual holiday. But yeah, so it's a big week for us, and here again, I was out of my element. I totally forgot that first bar on the left-hand side where I have Monday put down, that's supposed to be my little quote-unquote sidebar, and totally forgot about that. So here I am moving everything over. Yeah, I don't know. Having a day, you guys. But anyway, I'm gonna leave you with the music now and let you guys just sit back and enjoy me putting stickers on a page. And hope you guys have a great rest of the weekend, and happy Halloween. Thanks.